Hello everybody. Today I am removing this esha glue after I think it's been on 7 or 8 days now. So as you can see, it's definitely still glued down. It turned a little bit white, especially on this side over here, but it's definitely still glued down. This has been my favorite glue so far in my wig glue testing series. So check out the other glues that I have used in the series, but this one is my favorite. It's not lifting anywhere after a week. So this side's coming up just a little bit over here, but it's not completely lifting. And now I'm going to put some remover on and remove this glue. Hi Ruth Butterfly. Hi everybody. Hi. So yeah, I'm going to remove this glue now. Definitely come shop with us in store. We have a big sale coming up on the 20th of this month, which is not this Saturday, but it's next Saturday. I'm just going to spray my hairline down. Whoop, I hate when this drips on me. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm just getting on here really quick. I actually have a meeting to get to at 6:30. So I'm just gonna let this sit on for a minute, switch my wig and go to my meeting. So as you guys can see, we built some new, actually this is the wrong product I'm spraying on, oops. We built some new shelving in the back, and yeah, you see all of those new wigs back there. We actually have about 100 more wigs coming by Friday, so they will be ready Monday-ish. But come shop with us in store and come hand select your wig, or you can shop with us online and we will ship the wig out to you. We do cut the lace for you on any wig that's purchased in store or online. We'll definitely cut the lace for you. We do custom coloring here in store, so if you want your wig custom colored, we can definitely do that for you here. We can custom color it. We can really custom make you a wig however you like. Are there any other glues you guys would like to see me try? Let me know. So as you can see, I'm just saturating the lace line where the glue is to dissolve that glue out. And I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Ooh, let me get this oil out my ear. You see it dripping down my neck? That's the one thing I really don't like, is how it drips, but I mean, what can you do? It's dripping in my ear. So, wig sale July 20th here in store and online. We're gonna have some great specials. We're gonna have deeply discounted wigs. So if you've been waiting to get a wig from me here, pull up on Saturday, July 20th. We're open here Monday through Friday from 10 to 7. We're open on Saturdays from 11 to 6 and Sundays by appointment only. We have our amazing hair care product line. Let me show you guys that. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about today. I'll only be on here for a brief second. I'm just taking this lace off so my wig can get washed and can get reapplied tomorrow. Ooh, let me wipe all this baby oil off of my neck that's dripping down. Gross. Well, at least I know my neck's clean. Let's see. Oh, it's coming off. Okay, so yeah, it's coming off now. I don't like to pull, so if it comes off, it comes off, but if not, I'll just let it sit there for another quick moment. Spray, spray, spray. So yeah, let me rub it a little. Ooh, let me get this oil. It's dripping. So yeah, definitely come by the store. We'll make sure you know how to take on and off your unit properly. We'll make sure that you know how to properly maintain the unit. We can also maintain it for you. We do offer washing and conditioning services here in store. We do basic styling for free sometimes. If we have time, we'll definitely curl your unit for you. We'll flat iron it out if we have time, which most of the time we do. I can't think of a client that we've told, no, we don't have time to curl your hair. But if we're busy, we will tell you, no, too busy and you don't have time to wait. Yeah, so we offer washing conditioning services. We offer repairs on select units. So if you need the bands or combs replaced, or if you get a slight hole in the lace for whatever reason. If it's a tiny hole, we can fix it here in store. If it's a larger hole, we might need to send it out to the manufacturer. But yeah, definitely let us know whatever issues and concerns you guys have, and we will definitely try to take care of them. We also do in-store installations here. Our installation special is still just $175. We have lots of wigs in store, as you can see behind me. We have two sides of the store, and as you can see right behind Tati, there's wefted hair right there. So we definitely have wefted hair available in store. We're fully in stock of our wefted hair right now. So we have Filipino straight, we have Indian straight, we have Indian wavy, we have deep body wave, we have kinky curly hair in stock. So yeah, definitely come by and pick up some of our lovely bundles. We have matching closures and frontals to match. We have blonde closures in stock right now. So definitely come on by and pick up your amazing hair, because one thing I don't skimp on is the quality of the hair. So if you want the best quality, come on down to Culver City. Come on down to Magic Hair Company. Hand select your bundles, hand select your wigs. You'll have a one-on-one consultation with one of us, and we will make sure you select the perfect unit for you, the perfect cap style, whether it's full lace, front lace, or 360 lace. And we will also help you take on and off your unit and make sure that you just properly know how to use it and you're not afraid of it. All of my units are easy to put on and take off. So yeah, so you see how this kind of is just dissolving. There we go, it's sliding right off. Woo, woo. Okay, so, oh, it's so down. I forgot. Tati, can you bring me some scissors? I thought I was just about to take this thing off. I forgot I sewed it down. But you guys see how all this glue came up? This is a combination of the stocking cap and, thank you, the stocking cap and the glue. Let me cut this off for you. But actually, I may not be able to cut this off. So yeah, everybody, this is me removing the glue off of this unit here. This is the esha glue. So far, it has been my favorite glue. And yeah, come shop with us here in store at Magic Hair Company. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7 p.m. Saturdays, we're open 11 to 6. And Sundays, we are open by appointment only. My name is Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We have parking directly in front of our store. It is metered at $1.25 an hour. We have cold water and wine for anybody who comes in our store. You can definitely have a glass of wine with us. I will see you guys soon. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here most days. And yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye. Let me get this wig together.